Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the VENO 4-pack moving bags with backpack straps, the ultimate alternative to traditional moving boxes that makes your move hassle-free and efficient. These spacious, heavy-duty bags are designed with robust poly webbing straps, allowing you to carry them like a backpack or use the strong handles, and they can hold up to 50 pounds with 23 gallons of space, ensuring durability and water resistance with their phosphorus monophosphide woven material. Forget about removing clothes from hangers during your move, as these bags fit hangers up to 16.5 inches, allowing you to zip up and easily hang your clothes again in your new closet, offering a superior alternative to bulky wardrobe boxes. With a clear tag pocket for easy labeling and dual extended zippers for a wide opening, finding and accessing your belongings has never been easier, making these bags perfect for organizing college dorm essentials, moving to a new home, or storing items in your garage. Not just for moving, these multifunctional bags excel in transporting camping essentials, with a large capacity suitable for sleeping bags, camping accessories, and dry food, while their water-resistant material protects against moisture and wildlife. Ideal for compact spaces like college dorms and RVs, these bags keep your items organized and tidy when not in use, making them a sustainable and reusable choice for convenience and durability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.